Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology software engineer. The company is Nokia. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The key responsibilities will be 5+ years of experience candidate in software engineer, strong development and experience with relational database of SQL Server, hands-on experience in developing solution on Microsoft Azure. The second technology will be software engineering for the company Societe Generale of Global Solution Center. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The key responsibilities will be execution of the project process, SMP, conduct, pilot and process installation or major change project in production on behalf of the CFT DDS partner from end to end. The third technology is senior database developer for the company Epsilon, India. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The position purpose is setup configuration of the development environment, analyze and design of the new and enhanced feature of the marketing platform as per business requirement, communication with QA, product and production support team, etc. The qualification must be developed with 5 to 9 years of experience required, excellent skill with Microsoft SQL Server. The fifth technology will be Oracle Database Architecture Application Developer. The company name is Accenture. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The project role is Application Developer. The management level is 8. The work experience must be 8 to 10 years. The location will be Bangalore. The key responsibilities lead implementation of new entities on HR system. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to our Social University channel for the more job details. Thank you.